What's up, YouTube? Today I'm back with another YouTube video, of course. Right now I'm playing Truck Pro 2. I think it has a simulator. I don't know, but it's quite nice. It's a very nice game. Right now I'm in my truck. I just got I was trying to do I was trying to go ahead and do job real quick, but then I thought I should do a video on this game. So here I am. Hold on. If you look on the map, I'm going to San Francisco. I guess I'm almost halfway there. So I'm driving a Freightliner. I don't know if it's in the 2000s or 19s, maybe 1980, 1990s. I don't know. So, yeah, let's get started. If you know what kind of truck this is before I show you guys, just let me know in the comments. So, let's get started. Let's back out. Very detailed game. Oh, it's not. Don't hit that red carpet. So, I'm gonna record a part 2 because my phone's about to die. But yeah, I'm gonna record a part 2. So if the recording just stops, as sometimes I didn't do it, but it might not. I don't know. So, sorry I haven't posted in a long time, but let's get started. I'm gonna turn on some music so you guys don't get bored. Okay.
She looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Phantom, that's alright. Inside all white. Like something you ride a sled down. I just want that head. My brilliant, I'm mad. A brilliant, her man now. Everybody got the same sweat now. All the way that I chat now. Stacking my bands all the way to the top. All the way to my bed falling over. Every time that you leave your spot, your girlfriend call me like, come on over. I like the way that she treat me, gon' leave you, won't leave me. I call it that Casanova. She said I'm insane, I might blow my brain out. Hey, Johnny on the brain out. Please, Johnny make it go away. I'm committed, not addicted, but it keep controlling me. I done been there, I can feel it. I swear that it's slowing me. Yeah, I don't really care if you cry. I'm the way you should never lie. She looked me in my eyes. She said I am not afraid to die. Yeah, all my friends are dead. Put me to the edge. Yeah, all my friends are dead. Yeah, put me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Yeah, all my friends are dead. Yeah. That is not your swag. I swear you fake on. Y'all ain't nigga wanna take my kid on. Red on, that is strong. Red on. Yeah, mad song. Look, nigga, test on. Fast car, nice car, red song. In the car, they got no ones that we won't back down. Clothes from overseas, got them racks and they all see. No, to you it's not a cheat. Oh, looking at your stacking of your money, it all green though. I was counting that it's all 20, that's a G, bro. She said, you're the worst, you're the worst. I cannot die bigger than my universe. I don't really care if you cry. On the real, you shouldn't ever lie. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge.
Hold up. Just a second, guys. Hold on. Let me pull over. Okay, sorry about that.
Wanna put 10 shots in my brain. I've been tripping about some things can't change. Switch at the same time, I'm tame. Put you this in bag, get a phone call. Girl that you fuck with, kill it so. That was this summer and nobody helped. And ever since then, man, I hate myself when the fucking ended. Pessimistic. All wanna see me with no pot to piss in. But niggas been inside about the grave I'm digging. Have a conversation about my hasty decisions. Fucking sickening. At the same time, memories surface through the grapevine. But my uncle playing with a slip knot. Put some out of stress, got me fucked up. Been fucked up since a couple months they had a nigga locked up. I'll be feeling pain just to hold on. And I don't feel the same. I'm so numb. I'll be feeling pain. I'll be feeling pain just to hold on. And I don't feel the same. I'm so numb. Syrup sandwiches and crime allowances. Vanessa nigga with some counterfeits, but now I'm counting this. Parmesan with my accountant lips. In fact, I'm down in this. You say with my boo babe tastes like Kool-Aid for the analyst. Girl, I can buy your Westie world with my base stuff. Ooh, that pussy good. Once you sit it on my taste buds, I get way too petty once you let me do the extras. Pull up on your block and break it down. We playing Tetris. AM to the PM, PM to the AM phone. Piss out your per diem, you just gotta hate them phone. If I quit your BM, I still rock Mercedes phone. If I quit this season, I still be the greatest funk. My left stroke just went viral. Right stroke put a baby in a spiral. Soprano C, we like to keep it on the high note. It's levels to it, you and I know. Bitch, be humble. Hold up, bitch, sit down. Be humble. Hold up, bitch, sit down. Be humble. Bitch, sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Bitch, sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Who that nigga thinking that he frontin' on women? Get the fuck off my stage, I'm the Sandman. Get the fuck off my dick, that ain't right. I make a play, fucking up your whole life. I'm so fucking sick and tired of the Photoshop. Show me something natural like Afro with your pride. Show me something natural like ass with some
Okay, guys. This is where I'm gonna end the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment. Tell me how you liked it. If I did good. What else? Tell your friends and stuff who play Android games and stuff and things like that. So, thanks for watching and peace out.